New pack from Hat Club just touched down. Let's get it.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today we have something sinister to get into. I'm sure y'all have already seen the sneak peeks that Hat Club has been showing on their Instagram, that Wilder Fitteds has been showing on his Instagram, A-Lab as well. Shout out to Austin. They did their absolute nerdy big one. I have 3 hats here in hand to show y'all out of the Sinister pack today, and the Sinister pack does drop on August 1st. So 8/1, that's Thursday. Make sure y'all are ready. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready, because I'm telling you right now, these are gonna be a problem. The first hat we're gonna get into is the Seattle Mariners. We have a two-tone dark green on the crown, brown on the visor, brown on the button on top to match. That Block S Seattle Mariners front logo is my favorite Seattle Mariners front logo, so you already know that's gonna hit every time for me. On the interior, it's like a cream color, and the outline is a really nice copper. The copper with the cream really hits. These are some unique colorways, obviously, because of the inspiration, and that's what I really like about them. This one right here is a great in-between because it definitely is gonna grab attention, but it's not too crazy, too loud, you know, that beef and broccoli kind of vibe with the green and the brown. It's a good color combo. 30th anniversary Mariners side patch with the Space Needle in there. There's some green in there to accent the hat itself, and then you have some cream and some copper to kind of play up that front logo. The color placement is a 10 out of 10 as usual. There's also a hint of white, and if I'm not mistaken, just a little bit of silver in there right above the Mariners logo at the bottom. Flat batterman on the back, copper in the middle, cream in the corner, and green on the opposite side. Green UV with the black guts. This hat was made in China, and you do get the Hat Club branding on the inside of the sweatband. So that's the Seattle Mariners. Don't overlook this one. I'm really glad that they went ahead and chose the Block S front logo with the 30th anniversary side patch, because personally that's almost my favorite pairing. I do like the 40th anniversary side patch just like a little bit more on some hats, but the 30th anniversary with the Space Needle is just as good. Now we're gonna get into this Yankees joint, which I was sure was gonna be my favorite out of the pack. Absolute favorite, but I got surprised with something else, and now it's fighting for the #1 spot. It's up there, but I don't know. We might have to see at the end. I might reevaluate. This is also a two-tone. You have the navy on the crown. It's like classic New York Yankees navy on the crown. There's a dark red on the visor and the button. I love the way they paired those colors together. It's like the perfect navy and red that just go together seamlessly. The Yankees front logo on the inside does have a border or outline, and y'all know that's often a hit or a miss for me, but on this hat they did it really well. So the inside is a silver, then it's outlined in more silver, and it has a greater outline of a navy threading. So that looks good. It adds some depth to that front logo so that it's not so plain and so basic, especially on this hat. I feel like something a little bit more interesting was necessary, and they came through. Big 99 side patch. Y'all know that's my favorite Yankee side patch. Some people have switched up on the big 99, but not me. That is still my favorite side patch. There's a lot of silver going on in there, but there's also some pewter. You got to pay attention to the details. There's some metallic pewter in there as well, just a little bit to kind of balance out that silver. It's done really nicely. It's legible. You can read it. 1999 World Series. There's some white in there as well for the outline. A little bit of blue that accents the navy hat, just the tiniest hint of blue. And there's also some red. Very nice. Gray UV with the black sweatband. Just like any other collector, I have these moods where I just have favorite hats at the moment. This is gonna be one of them. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me, because y'all are gonna be seeing this one a lot in the videos on Instagram. Y'all are gonna be seeing this hat a lot. Like I said, this one was the top contender to be my favorite out of the pack overall. But then I saw this one, and y'all know I love a good scarlet red hat with the gray UV. This one's gonna get a nice warm welcome because I plan on steaming and curving this expeditiously and matching it up with a pair of sneakers. Tricolor Mets logo on the front, silver, white, and blue. 25th year anniversary side patch. Is it my favorite Mets side patch? No, but the colorway really does it justice. It has the silver, the blue, and the white from the front logo. It's perfectly legible. You can read all of the text. You can read the numbers. Very clean, very well done color placement. The execution on this pack is a 10 out of 10. Austin and AB did a brilliant job. Gray UV with the black sweatband, and this hat was also made in China. The Seattle Mariners is nothing to sneeze at. This is a really nice hat, but for me, of course, the New York hats take the cake. I don't know who designed which one, whether AB did the Yankees and Austin did the Mets. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put it on the screen right now if I could find out. Either way, both of these hats are top tier, and I believe they're both app exclusive. So if you want either of these, you're gonna have to move quickly. Download that app today. Don't wait until Thursday to download the app and set up your information. Download the app today so that you can have a chance at grabbing one of these on August 1st, Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern when they drop. As always, shout out to Hat Club for letting me show y'all these early, because I know as a collector, sometimes just getting that extra look at the details is all you need to make up your mind about a hat so that you don't miss out. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.